going on, guys? Your boy D-Dog here. Today's video is kind of like a tutorial about how I got my crispy ass audio on my videos now. Those of you who've been following me for the longest, like, my audio sucked like real bad. So like, some told me when I started making new videos, I was like, I'm gonna try to get this damn microphone to work with, with my camera, you know what I'm saying, so I can have better audio, because I feel like that's the one thing that I feel that I should get better on when I'm making these videos, is that audio. So one of my friends hit me up in my DMs and he asked me, like, how did I get my audio so clear? And to my surprise today, I told him that I was going to make a video about it and show him exactly how I got this audio. First things first, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You already know I'm going to ask you. Smash that like button. Do all that before we get into it. All right, now that you did that, let's get into this how-to. As you can hear my audio right now, you hear it sounds very good. But the minute you hear it with the microphone on my camera, this is the audio that you hear. So right now I'm talking on same camera, same everything. It is that now I'm using the audio coming from the camera instead of using the audio from the microphone. So I'm going to show you how I do it. I don't know if anyone does it the same or anything. It's so simple. I'm going to show you how I do it, and we can get to it. So let's get to the computer. Okay, so as you can see in this video, I'm probably a little too loud, but we'll adjust the audio when we get in Adobe Premiere. So I use Adobe Premiere and I use Adobe Audition. So what I do is I leave this window open while I'm recording and I just talk, so it's still recording the audio off the camera's audio, but I also have a separate audio as well. So as you can see on here, I'm talking blah 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 blah. I'm talking, and once I get done talking, we will get done, and then that's it. So as you can see, I'm going to open up Adobe Premiere, and then I'm going to make a separate video using this same audio right here, and we're going to load up the video from Camtasia as well. Okay, so as you can see, I have the video loaded in in Camtasia. This is a licensed software. I do have a license for this, so if you want this, you have to get a license for it, or you can do it the old school way and acquire things. But so what you do is, once this loads up, this is how I'm just showing you just the screen. I normally don't use Camtasia unless I'm doing some tutorials like this. So what we do is, I'm just gonna go ahead, because we want to save this audio, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just render this to a local file, and then we'll make this an MP4 only up to 1080p, because that's what we do. And then we're gonna do audio testing blah, that's what we're gonna call it. We'll just put this on the desktop. As you see, I'm running out of space. So organize blah blah blah, play video. We don't want it to play. I don't want to see the post or anything like that. And then we just want the video to finish. So once the video finished, then we're gonna load it up in Adobe Premiere, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I sync the audio. Okay, so now that that's been done, we don't need this file anymore. We don't need this. I don't even want this file anymore, so I'm not gonna even save the project because I already have the file. So what we do is, we're gonna open up Adobe Premiere, and look, I'm gonna make a new one. I'm gonna call this audio testing blah, but by the time you see the video, you'll see all the things of what I did. So we will go to new project, then we will go to audio testing blah. So then once we make that, Adobe Premiere opens up, and what we do is we find the video. So we're gonna go to our desktop, and we see audio testing blah. Audio testing blah is right there. So then we're gonna go to, I think, documents. I think this would be audio testing 2 right here for what it is. So what I do is I move the video right here, because then I get to see my audio. If it's the right video, you'll see what I'm gonna do. So I move this one over here, I move this right under it, and what I do is I make sure that I move it out just in case, you know, because the video, you see the claps. So the little lines right there is me clapping 3 times so I can have everything synced together. So what I do is, just so I get my editing on, I look at the waves. So what we do is you select all of them like this, and I just go to synchronize. Go to synchronize, make sure it's audio 1, track 1, boom. You do that, it'll automatically sync together. So what you do is I can play around with everything, and like if I want to cut right here, I can. So if I want to just mess with this, like, oh shit, no, not that. Hold on. Oh, I forgot one part. Yeah, see, this is why we do tutorials. So we highlight this one. We want to unlink this one. So we unlink. And normally what I do is I link the bottom audio together, because that is the audio that I pulled from Adobe Audition. So I can play this video. Let's get rid of this. I can play this video, and we can get this sized up here, and we can just do this like that. Did I just remove something? I think I did, but hey, it's all good. Oh yeah, because I unlinked it. So let's go like that, and then I'm not perfect, but hey, we're doing my best. So as you can see, I can mess around with it if you can hear it. So you hear the claps, and you hear it's doubled, right? So like what you can do is you can mess around with the audio. So I can delete this one right here, and then it'll play from the bottom of the audio track. So I can do all right here, and I'll let you hear. You hear the difference of it. So like we'll go from here to like here, and we'll remove this, so you can basically see the difference. So we'll do the claps, blah blah blah. Okay, so here you go. See, so now that I don't know if you guys heard it, but if you didn't hear it, sorry, but it did play. I probably got to just change my audio settings. But yeah, that's pretty much how I do it. And then what I do is how I edit my videos. If I want to do jump cuts, I just do, just whatever the empty spots are, I just cut them out. Normally I do it in the editing, this part right here, I'll do it in this part, but because I unlink the video, it'll be hard for me to be like doing it right here. So I can just do it right here, and I just be a little more precise with my editing. So yeah, that's how you do it. So this has been another video on how to do tutorials on how to get your audio a little crispy. You know what I'm saying? Because when you do it from the camera, if you ain't got a boom mic, your audio is gonna sound really, trash. So this is just, it may be, I look at it as like it's a bootleg way of setting it up, but hey, it is what it is. It works, gets the job done. So with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. If you like this tutorial, make sure you hit that like button, smash it. If you want to see some more tutorials, I'll see what I can do. And yeah, man, thanks for watching. Hope you see this, Chauncey, and let me know what you think. If you have any questions, let me know. All right, peace.